that Cocoa Pop. So good as it tastes here. I am gonna do like a 2-part of these videos, so it's like one's gonna be my battle jacket and one's gonna be my battle vest. Yeah, there's gonna be 2 of them. So, oh, by the way, good as a Taste response here. So it's gonna be 2 parts because I don't want these videos to be too long. So one's gonna be like the jacket, one's like a wild denim, one's gonna be a dark denim. Both are unfinished still, but I want to show the progress of what I have of the jacket to show off the progress I have of these jackets. And in the future, I'll just probably do a whole tour again, so just showing you all the patches and everything and whatnot. So this is actually the jacket. I'm still debating if I should remove the sleeves and add these little frilly things up here, but that's all there for now. Like you see throughout like the jacket, I have like embroidery floss decorated there. I may do that with like some of the ones on the vest, but that this is what I have. And everything. So the side of the vest, I have Otherworld. I got that from Otherworld in Philly. In Atlantic City, I got this Hard Rock Union Jack flag. I sewed this one on with my sewing machine, and then this one is like hand sewn on top to bottom. You can see how I did that, like over and under, or just kind of overlap them with the embroidery floss. You can do that with like a little thread, needles. So this like alien cat one, you see I kind of messed the thread to the eyes. So you can see that I did mess the thread to the background of this one. You can barely see it though. And then the Woodstock one too. So this is Woodstock 3 Days of Peace and Music. The eyeball, they picked up with the eyeball. I thought it was cute. I wish it wasn't really pink, but it is what it is. And then a piece word on the bottom here, like a waistband. I have one on the vest I had on first, and I thought this one needed one too, so yeah. I have a little like guitar looking thing, and that's it for that side. Oh, the collar has this going on. I thought this would trim at like Joann's a while ago. Pretty far, it was way before that. I was like Bakersfield and everything. So this side I have A6 Anxious is both. Another's a Harry Potter fan. The Harry Potter type thing. Not like the useless Harry Potter fan though, but I thought it was cute and mischief matters. I'm like always getting into some sort of mischief. I have this Australian patch. This Sweet Farms patch. My brother at some point was I believe probably is. I asked him if he still is. Office fan, and so I got the Sweet Farms to my brother. So I got Hellraiser, these stars, and the anti-racist one on the bottom. Now with these, like little fabric ones, you can see it on the anti-racist one better. I will go do like a 1-inch stitch around it, just better off. It gets it to stay better. Well, I can see that, but yeah, that's oh wait, no, yeah, for the back. On the back, I still work in progress though, but I still needed a patch for the back of the shoulders. I have these are the solos. I have these um, what do you call these? 8 ladies in green things, and this one has both the embroidery floss and the sewing machine stitched in. This one has the sewing machine stitches. This is the black widow, the pink black widow. Heart is in a heart, 2 skulls in a heart. That's black and white, and a Australian flag which got sewed on by a sewing machine. So that's what I have on this jacket and everything. So please go watch the other video of the vest, though, if you want to. And everything. I'll try to post things on my social media. In the meantime, that's it. I gotta check my emails, but without further ado, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.